What's up? What's up? How you doing?
So, that physics lecture today. Ugh. What was it about?
The physics lecture?
Yeah.
You didn't understand it?
No. All you hear is them saying blah. All I heard was blah, 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 blah. What is blah?
Well, today it was about electricity.
Electricity?
Electricity.
What?
It comes from the Greek word electron. I know you heard electron before, but in Greek it spelled E-L-E-K-T-R-O-N. And that means amber. Right? And they came up with this by rubbing amber on your cloth. They knew if you rub amber with cloth, then you can pick up dust and leaves off the ground. And we know that as today as static electricity.
So like with the balloons, right?
Yeah. So like what Storr did today in class, pretty much he rubbed balloons on his gray hair, you know, and he touched it to his shirt, and you can see that the balloon stuck to his shirt. It wasn't magic. It was just unlike charges attracting each other.
Okay.
He proved that, but it's also something called like charges repel against each other. You want to know how that works?
I do. I want to see it.
You about to find out.
Yeah.
I guess we can go ahead and go with what Storr had a lecture today. He was talking about all kinds of stuff.
Girl, I didn't understand. I'm a person, I have to see it to believe it. And he said something about magnetism and opposites attract, and you can see if you put something closer, it might repel or it comes together. But
I really just think we should look around the house, maybe look for some things that we can see what attracts and what repels.
okay, here's an example in the book, but it requires some balloons, but we don't have them. Guess we got the balloons. Kill him. Kill him.
He said something also about rubbing on your hair and maybe it'll stick on the wall.
Okay, we can try it. Look at that. Look at that. It's not me. My hand is not moving. Oh no! Well, what will work? I guess we'll find out later. Okay, so first experiment, we only had one thing to work. Phone attracted, didn't attract. So now we came up with our second experiment.
I guess we're gonna go ahead and try the balloon rubbing on the wall. Here. And see if it attracts her hair. As you can see, it's sticking.
Yay!
Yay! Today we're going to be talking about
Static electricity, right?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so for this experiment, we're going to be using these two balloons, Chris, and water. So for our first part of the experiment, we're going to take this balloon, we're not going to put it on anything, rub it on anything, we're just going to place it near the water and see what happens. As you can see, when the balloon gets close, no matter how close you get it or how far away you get it, the direction and the flow of the water remains constant and nothing happens because the charges are alike.
Crazy. That is insane. I am blown away by this.
Now, we're going to take this balloon and we're going to rub it on Chris to create a positive charge. And I'm just going to make sure that it works. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the water. And as you can see, the water, if you can see it. And
is that bending? Whoa.
So as you can see from the experiment,
Like those unlike charges attract, and the like ones
repel.
yeah, that's the word.
Hope you like the experiment. Hello, Buckies and Buckets. Today we talk about how opposites attract and how positives repel. But hey, nobody's judging. And we also concluded that the rubbing of one object against another can cause a transfer of positive charges. Blah. I love physics. I love it.
Did somebody say physics?
Road reductions.
You wanna see some amber? I wanna see some traction. Keep them magnets moving, and we gon' see some action. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain, physics. You wanna see some electrons? I wanna see some protons. Keep them ions moving, and we gon' see some stars. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain, physics. Blah 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 blah. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain, physics. Make it rain. Blah 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 blah.